Oh, you begin yourself. Hello, guys.
Hi guys,
I'm here in Potolicious house.
I'm here to put in his house. Next is Gloria Hasman's house. And what's his so many cow?
You show them. You see yourself there. Look at the camera.
Yes. You, I don't like.
You don't like it, oh?
I don't like.
Where are you? Where are you now?
Potolicious house.
Wow. She's in Potolicious house. Arty naman.